Today, the soybeans were mixed. It really traded on both sides of the $9 mark. That has become the benchmark, so thank goodness we're sitting there. Brazil did cut their crop estimates, and that gave the market a little bit of a boost, but it didn't really sustain much. I know we've come off that 4-month low, and we're still waiting on a deal. It looks like that we did get somewhat of a reprieve. I think today that the fact that the market is staying where it is really is looks positive, especially after yesterday's big rally in wheat. Kind of all the grains really came along. So corn was also firm today. There has been some follow through buying, even though a lot of the news is kind of neutral to even bearish a little bit. But hopefully the low is in for corn, and we can start to move on the upswing. We're really at the wait and see stage, waiting for more news and something else that we can look ahead to, because these acreage numbers are going to be coming. Now, there's been like a sprinkle of a little bit different information coming out of the USDA, kind of outside of its actual reports that we normally are waiting for, and that's because we're still trying to get back to normal with looking forward to all of our production numbers and things like that. So there's going to be a little leaks here and there, and always keep your eyes open for whatever comes out of the White House. Is there a trade deal at hand? They keep saying that now for the past number of weeks, and everyone's having a little bit of fatigue here, like, when is it coming? So we have to see that. Now, wheat retreated today. It's giving back some of yesterday's gains, but 25-cent move is really pretty good. I know that we had talked about this before, that wheat would be the leader if the market actually started to rally, and sure enough, it showed us it did. A lot of it is because it's been oversold, heavily oversold, and the market's a little bit thin, so you get a little bit of head of steam, and it really starts to push it a little bit higher. But the rally, it has still held on to a lot of its numbers, and there's still a lot of shorts to be covered. So, but it may be too early to say that the bottom is in yet. So we'll keep our fingers crossed that that the market is going to continue to move. It has been very strange that a lot of the investment funds have been short corn, wheat, and soybeans at this level, at this time of year, right before the grains are going to, right before, the planting season is started. We haven't seen this really since like 2016. I know it's only been a couple years, but that was kind of a big, a year that was on the decline. It's not really showing that same numbers here as far as weather and the carryout numbers. So we're going to watch that closely. I think that there's a lot of volatility ahead.